Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive, step-by-step checklist for choosing the right POS, or point of sale, system for agencies. Whether you're a marketing, travel, or creative agency, having the right POS can streamline your operations, improve client experiences, and boost your bottom line. We'll break down each step, highlight what to look for, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started by understanding what a POS system is and why it's crucial for agencies of all sizes. A POS, or point of sale system, is more than just a tool for processing payments. For agencies, it can handle invoicing, track sales, manage inventory, and even integrate with your accounting software. It acts as the central hub for all your transactions and client interactions. Understanding the full scope of what a POS system can do is the first step in making an informed choice. Next, we'll look at how to assess your agency's unique needs before diving into the selection process. Before you start comparing POS systems, it's essential to evaluate your agency's specific requirements. Consider the size of your team, the volume of transactions, and the types of services you offer. Do you need features like recurring billing, multi-location support, or integration with CRM tools? Make a list of must-have features versus nice-to-haves. This will help you stay focused and avoid being swayed by flashy extras that don't serve your core business needs. Budgeting is a critical step in the POS selection process. POS systems come in a wide range of prices, from basic solutions with minimal fees to advanced platforms with monthly subscriptions and transaction costs. Factor in not just the upfront costs, but also ongoing expenses like software updates, hardware maintenance, and support. Setting a clear budget early on will help you narrow down your options and prevent overspending. With your needs and budget in mind, start researching POS providers that cater to agencies. Look for companies with a strong reputation, positive reviews, and a proven track record in your industry. Explore their websites, read case studies, and reach out to peers for recommendations. This groundwork will give you a short list of reliable vendors to consider as you move forward. Now, it's time to compare the core features of each POS system on your shortlist. Focus on essentials like payment processing, invoicing, reporting, and integration capabilities. Does the system support multiple payment methods? Can it generate detailed sales reports? Does it sync with your existing tools? Create a comparison chart to visualize which systems meet your must-have criteria. A POS system should be intuitive and easy for your team to use. Evaluate the user interface, navigation, and overall workflow. Request demos or trial accounts to test the system firsthand. Pay attention to how quickly your staff can learn the system and how efficiently they can complete daily tasks. A user-friendly POS will reduce training time and minimize errors. Integration is key for agencies that rely on multiple software tools. Ensure the POS system can connect seamlessly with your CRM, accounting software, and other business applications. Look for open APIs or built-in integrations that simplify data sharing and reduce manual entry. This will help you maintain accurate records and streamline your workflow. Security is non-negotiable when handling client payments and sensitive data. Investigate the POS system's security protocols, such as encryption, PCI compliance, and user access controls. Ask providers about their data backup policies and how they handle potential breaches. A secure POS system protects your agency's reputation and builds client trust. Some POS systems are cloud-based and work on any device, while others require specific hardware, like card readers, receipt printers, or barcode scanners. Review the hardware requirements for each system and factor in the costs of purchasing or leasing equipment. Make sure the hardware is reliable, easy to maintain, and compatible with your agency's workspace. Agencies often need to accept a variety of payment methods, from credit cards to digital wallets and bank transfers. Check which payment processors the POS system supports and compare transaction fees. Flexibility in payment options can make it easier for clients to pay and can improve your cash flow. A robust POS system should offer detailed reporting and analytics to help you track sales, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions. Look for customizable reports, real-time dashboards, and export options. These insights can help you identify trends, optimize your services, and plan for growth. Your agency may grow over time, so it's important to choose a POS system that can scale with you. Check if the system supports adding new users, locations, or services without major disruptions. Scalability ensures your investment remains valuable as your business expands. Reliable customer support is essential, especially if you encounter technical issues or need help with setup. Research the support channels offered by each POS provider, such as phone, email, or live chat. Check response times and availability, and read reviews about their support quality. Good support can save you time and prevent costly downtime. Agencies often work on the go or from multiple locations. A modern POS system should offer mobile access, allowing you to process transactions, view reports, and manage your business from anywhere. Test the system's mobile app or web portal to ensure it meets your mobility needs. Before committing, carefully review the contract terms for each POS provider. Look for details about contract length, cancellation policies, and any hidden fees. Understanding the fine print can help you avoid surprises and ensure you're comfortable with the agreement. Most reputable POS providers offer demos or free trials. Take advantage of these opportunities to test the system in real-world scenarios. Involve your team in the trial, gather feedback, and assess how well the system fits your agency's workflow. This hands-on experience is invaluable for making the right choice. Your team will be using the POS system daily, so their input is crucial. After testing, hold a meeting to discuss everyone's experiences. Identify any pain points or suggestions for improvement. This collaborative approach ensures buy-in and helps you choose a system that works for everyone. Every agency is unique, so customization can be a big advantage. Check if the POS system allows you to tailor workflows, reports, or user permissions to fit your agency's processes. Customization ensures the system adapts to your needs, not the other way around. Technology evolves quickly, so it's important to know how your POS provider handles updates and maintenance. Ask about the frequency of software updates, downtime during upgrades, and whether updates are included in your plan. Reliable maintenance ensures your system stays secure and up to date. Data is a valuable asset for any agency. Clarify who owns the data collected by your POS system and how you can access or export it if you switch providers. Understanding data ownership protects your business and ensures you retain control over your client information. Depending on your industry and location, your agency may need to comply with specific regulations, such as GDPR or PCI DSS. Ensure the POS system meets all relevant compliance standards and can provide documentation if needed. Compliance protects your agency from legal risks and builds client trust. Many agencies use third-party tools for marketing, project management, or communication. Check if the POS system integrates with your existing software stack. Seamless integration reduces manual work and helps your team stay productive. A smooth onboarding process helps your team get up to speed quickly. Ask providers about their training resources, such as tutorials, webinars, or in-person sessions. Good training reduces the learning curve and ensures your agency gets the most out of the POS system. Internet outages can happen, so it's wise to choose a POS system with offline capabilities. This allows you to continue processing transactions and storing data even when you're not connected. Once the connection is restored, the system should sync automatically. As your agency grows, you may need more advanced features or higher capacity. Check if the POS provider offers upgrade paths, such as premium plans or add-ons. This flexibility allows you to scale your system without switching providers. Sometimes, a POS system may not meet your expectations after purchase. Review the provider's return and refund policies before making a commitment. Knowing your options can give you peace of mind and protect your investment. The stability and reputation of your POS vendor matter. Choose a provider with a solid track record, financial stability, and a history of supporting their products. This reduces the risk of service interruptions or discontinued support. POS systems can be cloud-based or on-premise. Cloud systems offer flexibility and remote access, while on-premise solutions may provide more control and security. Weigh the pros and cons of each option based on your agency's needs and IT resources. If your agency operates in multiple locations, ensure the POS system can handle multi-location management. This includes centralized reporting, inventory tracking, and user permissions across all branches. Multi-location support streamlines operations and provides a unified view of your business. Some POS systems offer features tailored to specific industries. For agencies, this might include project billing, retainer management, or client portals. Look for industry-specific tools that can save you time and improve your service delivery. Automation can streamline repetitive tasks and reduce errors. Check if the POS system offers automation for invoicing, reminders, or reporting. Automated workflows free up your team's time and help you focus on higher value activities. User permission controls are important for maintaining security and accountability. Check if the POS system allows you to set different access levels for staff, managers, and administrators. This ensures sensitive information is only accessible to authorized personnel. If your agency offers recurring services or wants to reward loyal clients, look for POS systems with built-in loyalty or rewards programs. These features can help you retain clients and encourage repeat business. Some POS systems include communication tools, such as email or SMS notifications for clients. These can be useful for sending invoices, payment reminders, or appointment confirmations. Integrated communication keeps your clients informed and engaged. If your agency sells products or manages inventory, check the POS system's inventory management features. Look for real-time tracking, low stock alerts, and easy reordering. Effective inventory management prevents stockouts and overstocking. If you serve international clients, multi-currency support is essential. Ensure the POS system can handle different currencies and exchange rates. This makes it easier to invoice clients abroad and manage global transactions. Tax compliance can be complex, especially for agencies operating in multiple regions. Look for POS systems that automate tax calculations, generate tax reports, and support different tax rates. This reduces manual work and ensures accuracy. Effective client management is vital for agencies. Check if the POS system includes CRM features such as client profiles, history tracking, and notes. These tools help you deliver personalized service and build strong client relationships. Marketing integrations can help you promote your agency's services and reach new clients. Look for POS systems that connect with email marketing, social media, or advertising platforms. Integrated marketing tools make it easier to launch campaigns and track results. API access allows you to build custom integrations or automate workflows. If your agency has unique needs, check if the POS system offers open APIs and developer support. This flexibility can help you tailor the system to your exact requirements. A reliable POS system should have minimal downtime and fast performance. Ask providers about their uptime guarantees, server infrastructure, and disaster recovery plans. Reliable performance ensures your agency can operate smoothly at all times. When comparing POS systems, consider the total cost of ownership, not just the initial price. Factor in hardware, software, transaction fees, support, and upgrade costs. A clear understanding of all expenses helps you make a financially sound decision. After completing your checklist and gathering feedback, it's time to make your final selection. Choose the POS system that best fits your agency's needs, budget, and growth plans. Confirm your choice with your team and prepare for a smooth rollout. Congratulations! You've completed the step-by-step checklist for choosing a POS system for your agency. By following these steps, you can make a confident, informed decision that supports your agency's growth and success. Remember to review your choice regularly as your business evolves, and don't hesitate to upgrade or switch systems if your needs change. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new POS system.